Hey everybody, Kay here on the homestead. It is January 4th. Wow. Unbelievable. And I am dealing with aphids on my peppers in my garage. Take a look. Hey everybody, I am harvesting these cayenne peppers off of 2 plants in the garage. I expect when this last few green ones are red that I will prune the whole thing back. But I just wanted to point out, look, see? Always be observant. When you've got something like that show up on your leaf, it's eggs, could be aphids. They're kind of shiny and little pearls, tiny little pearls. And what I do when I find that is I immediately do that. And if it's wet like that, I know I just squished eggs. And there's no way it's a good kind of pest. It's a bad pest. So you want to nip that in the bud or it'll be on everything in your greenhouse. Actually, I'm seeing so much on here that I'm going to have to spray this plant with possibly some neem oil or bug brew. You can also see there's kind of specks of shiny leaves, shiny on the leaf. This is a pest. So, yeah, I believe I've got an infestation. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Here we go. You can really see it here. You can actually see them starting to crawl. Now that whole plant needs to be dunked in some soapy water. This whole thing is going to get pruned way back, and they are going to be sprayed and soaked and everything. I just want to get a few more peppers. Boy, these guys are restless. What's going on with you guys? Who's going to win this one? The boy's bigger. Anyway, I feel like I need to go ahead and prune this, and I'm going to take the not quite ripe ones. They're still good. That's the thing about peppers. Cayenne, you can eat these peppers green. So I'm going to cut these back, and I'm going to give them a good dousing. Anyway, I'm going to cut all this off, and I'm going to spray this whole tree with neem oil. I've taken all the peppers off. I almost want to just take this out of the pot and dunk it upside down in a pot of water. That would be kind of tough to do, so I'm going to cut most of this foliage off and give it a good spray. This big one has been completely scalped, and look, I left this one leaf on, and look. Let's hope it comes back. This is my new freezer, and the whole front is soaking wet, and there's water on the floor. So what does this mean? It's not level. I was going to get a shim, but that's not acceptable. Okay, I found this safer insect killing soap in my shop with seaweed extract, gentle on plants. Not much plant here left, so I'm going to soak all these pine cones too. because I'm sure that aphids dropped down in there. Of course, once an aphid, even a nymph, you know, once it drops off the plant, it can't get back on. So I'm going to give it a good soak, and it's really warm today, so they're going to stay out here in the sun. I'm going to soak it again, because you never get every single one when you spray. I need more pine cones. By the way, the pine cones are to keep the cats out. Somebody suggested that, and it seems to work pretty well as long as they're really packed. I need more there. Just checking out this blue sky. It is so rare. I can't remember the last time. Just a puff here and there. This morning there were 2 streaks, but since it's so windy, they blew away. Thank you, thank you. Hi. Hi. Have you found anything? Stay close to home, okay? Where's everybody? Where's everybody? I'm sure Spot isn't far away, but stay close by, okay? Okay? BJ? All right. You're such a good girl. I love you. I love you. Go get the mouse in the shop. There were 2 in there the other day. I had to catch them. That's your job, okay? Well, hello. Hello back there. So I saved 3 peppers. I dug up several, and I only kept 3 for the winter. And I just noticed this a couple of days ago, and just boom, I tell you. I forget how many eggs, you know, one aphid fly can lay, but man, they were covered. So I'll see if they come back from this absolute scalping, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. You are such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Patch is a pretty girl. Patch is a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I love you. I love you. Look at me. Show me your eyes. Your eyes are sky, just clear blue. Look at your eyes. Let me see your eyes. I know the sun is bright. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. You know, you notice one little thing, and then you see a whole bunch, and then when you step on it, it's all squishy. So look at this. I saw this and I go, I don't remember dumping out a pot of dirt, but look, it kind of goes this way, and this way, and this way, under there. So, not much I can do about it. Hey, catch that mole that's... Go get that mole, okay? Can you dig up that mole? Go get it. Go get the mole. Get the mole. Go get it. What do you got, Patch? What are you eating? Oh, I know what you're eating. I threw a piece of cornbread out for the birds. That's what she's eating. Yeah, there's a mole down there. Can you get that, please? Do you think you're going to catch a bird if you're up there? It's a good place to watch them though, isn't it? Yeah, but you can't get to it over there. I'm sorry, what did you say? What did you say? What was that sound you made? You sounded like a sheep. This does not look promising here. This is my gardenia. It finally came back. Looks like the frost nailed it. It's actually a little bit of green right there. So we'll see if it survives. Oh boy. Can you... I hope that's a mole.